Well, let's multiply everything, shall we?
1.5 per day. Congratulations to you. Bang thumbs up again. Oh, wow. Well, let's go. What was your favorite? I liked English. I mean, okay. Truth be told, English is not my, like native language. That's the thing about it. I'm a Latvian. But I enjoyed English lessons. 3x Crazy Time Toslet. I don't know anything about it. Like, I could learn. I could, because I guess I already knew English because of watching, like, Disney Channel and stuff. But, yeah. Oh, come on. Oh, we got it! Crazy Time. With 3x on it, everybody. You know what is my favorite subject, right now? It's that 3x for Crazy Time. Let's go. Woo! Yes! Got it! Oh, baby, we got it. Woo! Wow. Well, you know what some say, it's the biggest wheel in the world. Let's 3x it from the top slot. Woo! Wow, it's pretty, isn't it? Just like you. Decision time, ladies and gentlemen. Green, blue, yellow. Choose it now. So, 300x is the maximum multiplier. Go on. Double for green, 45 for blue, 75 yellow. Let's double up the fun, babes. Woo! $600x max. Woo! $210x for the green team for 1,998 of you. Woo!
You look younger than your age. Because I shaved him in my mustache or beard, whatever I can grow, because I shaved today. So, last couple seconds. And drink a lot of water. Keeps you youthful. So no more bets. Good luck. Welcome newcomers. If any questions, let me know. Just don't be rude, okay? That won't get us anywhere, really. 10x on Crazy Time. Well, that will be good. $10x on Crazy Time, everybody. All good things come to those who wait. Hi there, everybody. Well, let's multiply everything, shall we? Now it's up to you to choose the green, the blue, or the yellow flapper. If you don't decide, AutoPick will choose randomly for you. So far, the majority going for the color blue. Well, 1,000x. Let's hope for some killer doubles, everybody. Good luck. $250, $350, and 200x. Congratulations.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.